Here I'm going to show you how to find the most repeated or frequently occurring number from a list in Excel. It's a neat little function. It is the mode function, and there are a few of them. There's one for the older versions of Excel, one for multiple, and we are going to use the single one, mode.single. So tab to get that in there, and just select a range of numbers. Hit enter, and it tells us that 4 is the most repeated number in the list. It's a cool little function. So, mode. But there is one thing to watch out for. So, if no value is the most repeated, like this, you will get an error, and that can be kind of unexpected. So you might want to then surround this guy with the if error function, and you could say no value is repeated in the list. No value is repeated in the list, a nice little error for that. You may also want to use the median. That's a nice little function here. And that's very simple. There's only one of them. So median, select it, and it's going to give you the number in the middle, which is 4. You can also do average. So these three are kind of linked, with mode being, I guess, the most interesting and the one that allows you to find the most repeated value from a list, but also the one that can give you an error. Now, average has a bunch of variations. I'm not going to cover the variations. I'm just showing you that these three guys can kind of work together to give you a middle value from a list of values. So we have average, median, and mode, but remember to use mode.sngl.